Hi, I'm Ray, and this channel is all about growing fruit and vegetables along with some flowers and some DIY projects. But today we've got some mail and we've got some plug plants sent in the post. These are sent from Thompson and Morgan, and I'm not entirely sure what they are, so I'm hoping it will tell me in the packet. But the packet says, please open immediately, live plants. Stand your plants upright, water your plants if required, pot on and stand in well lit conditions. More instructions enclosed, the cultural instructions. So turn packet over to open. So the packet itself, recycle. Our plant trays are made from recycled plastic and can be recycled again. This cardboard sleeve is also recyclable, so that's bonus. So this comes straight in the post box, straight in the letter box, so that's great. Comes with a plastic band sealing the ends so the trays don't fall through. So we're just going to get some scissors and we're cutting the band. So I think now this should release. It says here, open here, cut band to open. So there we go. We're opening these up, and as we can see, this is our plug plants. And now I remember now this is the fuchsias that Thompson and Morgan have sent me, and they're not looking too bad. This is the plug plants. It's all quite moist in here, the label's quite damp, and the plants are looking okay. So we've got our fuchsia guide, and this is quick tips about getting the best from your fuchsia, and it also comes with a catalogue. Comes with our plant passport, and it's Fuchsia Eruption 5 Postie plugs. So that's great. So thank you Thompson and Morgan for our plug plants. So these are going to be really exciting. You can see different sizes all the way through. So all I'm going to do is got our small pots, and we're just going to put a bit of compost in, and we're going to take our little plug plants. There we go. That's great, look at that. That's pretty good. Coming in the post. And I'm just going to put them into this little pot and just plug them down. It's got a good roots. The roots are looking really good. So these are just going to sit in these trays, in these pots. So I made a big enough hole, and they're just going straight in to the pot. Put a compost around the outside, and then we're going to give this a water. We'll put it into a tray. We'll just grow it on a little bit, wait for the roots to grow, and then these can go into the baskets. I'll show you a picture. There's a picture in here of what we're growing, and giant fuchsias, rainbow fuchsias. No, I can't see the ones that we got here. So we're going to continue with these. Fuchsia Eruption. Let's have a look, see if we can find it. Doesn't actually seem to be in the catalogue here. What we've got, oh, is this it? Fuchsia pre-planted basket. No, can't seem to find it in there. Eruption. Anyway, we're going to look forward to growing these. No, I'll have to do a Google. I'll send a picture of what these are. But we're just going to continue now potting on these 5 plug plants. And I'm really pleased with them. Really pleased. So just going in, need a good water. They're looking a little bit sad, but a bit of water. I can't wait for growing these. And if you go back to my video, I've got a video of growing fuchsia from seeds, and that was last year, and that was really good. So we're just potting these up in a little big plant, give it a bit of structure. There we go. I can't wait to see these grow. Fuchsia is one of my favourite flowers, and I must try and get some more seeds and grow them again. This one's a bit smaller, might need a bit more help, but there we go. Just putting them in the pots, potting them on. This is just normal multi-purpose compost. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. Absolutely wonderful. So thank you Thompson and Morgan for sending these fuchsias, and we'll keep updated of how they grow. And once I find out which variety are, whether they're a basket. This one is a bit, the leaves are falling off this one, so hopefully this one may recover. If I stick it in the tray, it's just a shame this one's the last one, and it's just a little bit worse for wear, but hopefully it will recover. Give it some water, and hopefully it should be okay. So there we go. That's really impressive. Really impressive. So thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell. Get notifications when I post some more videos. You can put this in the recycle, and this can go be recycled too. So absolutely wonderful. Can't wait. Absolutely can't wait. So thank you very much again. Cheers for now.